Looking for a dependable replacement for your Harley-Davidson kickstand spring? The Kuryakyn 7110 chrome-plated OEM motorcycle kickstand spring offers a perfect fit for a range of Harley models, including Touring, 9106, Softail, 8506, FXR, 91-94, and Sportster, 9106. This spring restores the solid, reliable function your bike deserves, keeping your kickstand secure every time you park. I've installed this spring myself, and the difference is clear. The chrome plating not only looks sharp but also resists rust and wear, so you get lasting performance. Installation is straightforward. Jack up the bike or have a friend hold it upright. Remove the butterfly clip above the pivot. Then gently pull down the stand until the stopper clears the slot. A quick sway loosens the old spring, and swapping in the new one takes just minutes. No special tools or mechanic needed. What you get is peace of mind. No more worries about your kickstand slipping or failing. The OEM equivalent part number ZZ05100-200 guarantees compatibility and quality you can trust. If you own a Harley from the specified years, this spring is worth a look. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference in safety and reliability. Try it when you're ready to give your bike the maintenance it needs.